Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kim punaha brahmanaha punya bhakta rajarshayah tadha अनित्यं असुखं लोकम् इमं प्राप्य भजस्व माम्। ओम। While billions of souls suffering in bad bodies, you got to be born into this beautiful human body. While billions of souls are suffering from having no tradition, no culture, you got to be born into this Sanatana Dharma. While billions of souls having no awareness of Sri Krishna Paramatma's Divya Sandesham Srimad Bhagavad Gita, you got to be listening to Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is all highly impossible to achieve, but this is being achieved by you with Sri Krishna Paramatma's blessings. Keep appreciating that. Keep taking refuge in Sri Krishna Paramatma. Do not misuse this opportunity. Do not neglect this opportunity. Take complete surrenderance into the divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma and stop coming into this unhappy, impermanent world and cycle of this birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. You don't worry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall realize the esteem, opportunity of being in this human body, and I shall realize this impossibility of getting this kind of human body and being in this Sanatana Dharma and having an opportunity to listen to this Bhagavad Gita. I shall realize all this and I shall not misuse this opportunity. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, help me not coming into this unhappy, impermanent world again and again. Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.